Derek Shapiro for Fletcher Sons Truck and Car Wash Center, veteran owned and operated. Conveniently located at 2700 Mike Pageant Highway, Augusta, Georgia. Give them a call, 762-333-4141. Again, 762-333-4141. Again, Fletcher Sons Truck and Car Wash Center at 2700 Mike Pageant Highway, Augusta, Georgia. Tell them that Derek Shapiro sent you to Fletcher Sons.